thought I would share with you some of the new things that we've done now in the workspace. We're sort of coming along really fast now. So the floor is in and the steps are in. So you can see the new steps. And I don't know if you can see that sort of framework next to the ladders. That's where the second set of doors are going. So I'll walk down them in a second, but you can see we've got this office created as you come in next to the ramp door, and you can see the ramp is in. Got the front door there. Second office is in, and you'll see we've got electric power points and we've got them running along the wall, so that will help light the shop displays. We have a floor the whole way across, a level floor. And most excitingly for everyone working at the front desk, that wall there in the ceiling will be where an infrared heater will go to keep you warm at the door and to keep you nice and cosy as you're working. And then as you can see, we've got a much wider new entranceway. I'm going to come here and try not to trip over anything. So if you look here, you can see we have 1, 2 steps down onto a new flat landing where the new double doors will go, and then on out to the original door. So I'll come down so you can see. Hopefully it won't make you feel sick. You can see the offices. It's really hard to get this in camera. Our lovely window that's now open, and you can see it's the red line. Come down the steps. The old handrails are gone. And that's a new entranceway. Ta-da!